look at it outside. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, what the hell? Grandma!
This is how a sea cucumber eats.
What
They
the
walk on floor
freaking-
and throw sand in their mouth and
Look at the
digest
garbage
whatever organic
can.
matter they can find.
Oh my god.
We see the
There's so much garbage everywhere. I caught this on.
pick that up.
Look at that.
they are able to eviscerate
Oh my god.
nuts.
Oh, look at that way up the street.
That will then stick to the
It's so blurry.
use them.
Oh my god. Bro. Oh, there's a lady running down. Oh, their garbage can went. Oh my god, look at that garbage.
And voila, we have people, 36 pieces.
Okay, I'm gonna go outside
This
the
company
door.
made a device that
Go,
allows you to create
now.
and animate your own holograms.
Bro. This is. Oh, there's Dale.
Then I'm coming in to pee and then I'm leaving. You're
Okay.
gonna be alone for 2 hours. Or, almost, well, an hour and a half.
I'm gonna see the outside.
That's in a video.
This is the best vlog ever. Oh my god. Bro. It's crazy out there. I'm just looking. Whoa. I'm watching the others. Yeah, the power's probably gonna go off.
Unfortunately, it doesn't look like this was a very good idea because the company is now out of business.
Oh my god, guys. Look at Melissa. Oh, that's rolling down the street. Oh my god. Bro. This is crazy.
This is what it looks like when you place liquid nitrogen into gasoline. The nitrogen moves around, kind of like a screensaver.
Oh, bro, there's so many people up the street and stuff, guys. Oh my god. This is like a freaking hurricane. Look at the bush. Oh my god. It's.
This
Oh my god.
And they can make themselves look like really big balloons to scare away predators.
Oh, our trailer's getting like torn. Oh my god, guys. It's. Bro. There's garbage like everywhere. Look at that way up there. There's just garbage up there, bro. Oh my god, this is so crazy. Oh my god, I've never seen something like this. Like here. Now Melissa and Dale are talking. Bro!
These are juvenile.
I'm gonna end it. I might start another video, but see you guys.